Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. To update your Windows, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then scroll down this list to the Windows Update section, open it, and then if you don't have any updates right here, click Check for Updates, otherwise click Update, Download and Install All. And for additional updates, go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and here you'll find some optional updates, including some driver updates for your device. Hit the checkbox next to the ones that you want to install, then click Download and Install. Once the updates are installed, you'll probably have to restart your computer, and in case you do have to do that, you'll be notified both right here and via the notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you update your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.